Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world. It's my world. It's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? Long ass line at Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm at Starbucks right now. We about to just get a little warm beverage to you know what I'm saying, just to you know, make sure we staying COVID free over here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, welcome back to another video. I want y'all to get in the comment section and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see during this Vlogmas. You know what I'm saying? Of course, the holiday stuff, whatever, we include that in, of course. But just let me know what type of videos y'all want to see, man. You know what I'm saying? So I can bring that footage to y'all. But I actually was supposed to get some work done on Durango today. As I mentioned in the last video, you know, I was supposed to repair some of the rust. We still gonna go through that and fix that. But I actually forgot that I had set an appointment to get my windows tinted in the Durango today, and I fucking missed my appointment. But as y'all can see, the front windows are fucking clear as day. You know what I'm saying? The front windows are clear as day. You know, good thing it's not a fishbowl, but the front windows are clear as hell. You know what I'm saying? So I was trying to fix that, but I actually missed my appointment, so I wasn't able to get the windows tinted. But the good thing about that is, you know, after the, you know, the stimulus and all that shit in the summertime, the window tinting shop is actually not as booked up as they was before when I was trying to make appointments. So now I feel like you could walk in and get your shit done the same day, probably. You know what I'm saying? Because when I actually went up there to make my appointment and they opened up the books, I'm just seeing like days and days and days of empty, you know what I'm saying, slots. So the good thing is, when I get ready to get the windows tinted again, I'll be able to do it easily without having to wait 3 weeks like I did last time on my other 2 cars. So yeah, man. But I'm about to get this, I don't know what I'm about to get from Starbucks, man. I honestly don't even fucking drink Starbucks like that, but you know, just trying to keep some warm beverages in my lungs, not in my lungs, but in my paws, in my throat, paws. But you know what I'm saying, we got to keep the respiratory system healthy. You know what I'm saying? We got to make sure we don't get no COVID and nothing like that, even though I feel like this shit is fake, but that's a whole nother story. Yeah, man, so that's what we doing. We got a lot of stuff coming for, I always say that in every video, but I'm really just trying to keep wraps on what I'm doing and what I'm working on, but still at the same time give y'all enough anticipation to know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Now, also, if y'all can hear that shit, my brakes are squeaking loud as hell in this Durango. So that's probably be the next thing we got to do in here is get the brakes changed. I checked the front brakes, they look pretty thick still, so it's probably the back brakes, and the back brakes are drum brakes. So this would be my first time replacing drum brakes, so I'm gonna do a video on that, not in this video obviously, but yeah, man. Also, get in the comment section, man. If you've never commented on my video before, man, get in the comment section and talk to me, man. I don't care what you say, just say something. Let me know you tuned in and you subscribe to the channel, man. But yeah, man, we coming up in line, right? You know what I'm saying? It's almost my turn right here, you know. I don't even know what to get, honestly, man. I don't know what to get, honestly. But man, if y'all drink Starbucks, get in the comment section. Let me know what's the best drink to get from Starbucks. Hot, warm drinks. You know what I'm saying? I usually just get, I'm gonna just be honest, I just get a caramel macchiato because that's the only thing I know from watching DDG videos. He always get that shit every time he come to Starbucks. So that's what I'm probably gonna get. But yeah, man. I ain't talking about shit right now, so I'm gonna come back to y'all after I get this drink and after I get some entertainment content coming on. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck am I talking about? I don't know. Woo. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to get started on this Durango. I'm about to hurry up and knock this out because I only got like 30 minutes before the sun go down. So what I'm gonna do is I got this right here. Is it in focus? Yeah. So I got this right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray up under the car and on the door and the inside of the door where it's rusted at. You would usually use this to prevent your car from getting rust on it, but since mine already has rust on it, I'm gonna just use this to prevent it from getting even more rust on it. This is a quick temporary fix because I am gonna be driving the Durango as my daily driver, you know what I'm saying? So I want to just get this done so I can have this protective coating on there before it snows again, and it's supposed to snow in a couple days. So I want to get this on there before it snows again and they start throwing salt on the road, and that makes it rust out even more. So this is just a quick job to get a protective layer on there, and then probably by the summer, you know, I go back in and really take my time and do it detail and make sure I get eliminate all the rust on there and do, you know what I'm saying, and do it all the way, detailed job. But this is just gonna be a quick fix, like I said, just to get that protective coating on there. I know y'all wondering, like, why you don't just drive the Impala and take your time with the Durango? Well, the short answer for that is, like I said, I want to hurry up and get this done because I want to be driving the Durango when it snows. I don't want to be in the Impala in the snow, even though it's front wheel drive and it won't be as bad, but still I got a 4x4, so why not drive the 4x4 in the snow, you know what I'm saying? So that's why. And also I want to get the Durango done so it will be my daily driver, and I can hurry up and finish my build on the Impala because I'm probably gonna sell it, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I want to finish my build on it. I want to hurry up and get my build finished on it so I can start working on the Durango build, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. And without further ado, I've been talking to y'all for a couple minutes. I'm about to hurry up and go get started on this so we can get it done before the sun go down, you know what I'm saying? I think you're supposed to put 2 coats on there, an hour apart. But I'm probably gonna just do 1 heavy coat for now, and then if it don't rain or snow tomorrow, I'll do another coat, and yeah, that's gonna be that. So let's get right into it, man.
on my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.